Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at the Segotep T1 white full tower E-ATX gaming PC case, bundled with a 750W black power supply. This case aims to offer a blend of aesthetics, functionality, and cooling performance for serious gaming builds. First impressions are positive. The white finish gives it a clean, modern look that will fit well in many setups. The full tower design means there's plenty of room inside, which is great for cable management and accommodating high-end components. One of the standout features is the vertical GPU mount. This allows you to showcase your graphics card, preventing any sag and adding a unique visual element to your build. It's a great way to display your investment and keep your GPU secure. Inside, the Segotep T1 supports up to an E-ATX motherboard, providing ample space for even the most demanding systems. Cooling is a priority, with support for up to a 360mm water cooling radiator in the front or rear. This ensures that your CPU and other components stay cool, even during intense gaming sessions. There's also room for up to 7 120mm fans, allowing for excellent airflow throughout the case. The spacious interior also means you can install a graphics card up to 345mm long, even with a vertical mount. This is a significant advantage, as it eliminates concerns about compatibility with larger, high-performance GPUs. The included 750W power supply is a welcome addition. It provides enough power for most gaming configurations, offering peace of mind and saving you the hassle of purchasing a separate PSU. Overall, the Segotep T1 offers a compelling package for gamers and PC enthusiasts. Its spacious interior, excellent cooling options, and vertical GPU mount make it a great choice for building a high-performance gaming rig. The included 750W power supply adds even more value, making this case a strong contender in the full tower market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.